cannot hide in the broom. Forever, Sigmund.
And you, my dear boy, look just like your father. Blasted hover boots.
How do you like my ass? How do you like my chicken? Finger 5000. How do you like my asteroid 5000?
He was the first to theorize that the Great Clock even existed. You see, according to fungoid lore, the
Chicken?
guardians of time.
Super ironic death chicken?
Where are you going? This is your responsibility. You can't just walk away. The Lumbaxes need us. Don't walk away from me! Open the door, do you hear me? No! What are you doing? I said stop! Fool. I told you to leave me. You shouldn't have come back.
You were never my father, Alister!
So sorry.
What are you gonna do? Wow, that was not the reaction I was expecting. Turn it off! Turn it off!
It's
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
looks like there's an obsidian eye somewhere in Krill Canyon. I can't lock on any closer.
Well, at least we know what he went with. You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal, General Azimuth, out here alone?
I had it installed in the event I ever needed a super ironic death. I had it installed in the event I ever needed a super ironic chicken.
But we have an advantage I did not have before. A cunt inside the clock.
What? Alister, I think you should have watched your mouth back there.